Many people have been asking me this question. What are the basics of video production? Don't worry anymore. Today we are going to learn about video production. But first, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Video production involves creating content from start to finish. From developing the concept, writing script, and storyboarding, to editing, to setting up and operating cameras, directing scenes, troubleshooting, editing footage, and adding graphics. Do producers edit videos? Yes, video producers are video storytellers. They produce, edit, and deliver many videos. In order to be a good producer, you need to have passion for moving images and what those images communicate. From the production side, you need good communication skills, the ability to work well with people, and good management instincts. You need to let people do their jobs, trust the team you've put together to do the work. Thank you so much. My name was Jim Wise and my YouTube channel is Wise Empire.